To become a certified advisor, you must follow a series of steps. The first step is to create an account. If your employer uses the platform, you can register through their account. Otherwise, you can sign up for a 30-day trial. To do this, simply search for the platform and navigate to their website. From there, click on the option to start a free trial and fill out the required information. Once your account is created, you will need to access the platform's central hub. This can be done by searching for it online and logging in with your account credentials. Upon logging in, click on the Learning option at the top of the screen, followed by the Certificates option. Here, you will find various certificates available, including the Advisor Certificate. Choose the Advisor Certificate and select your preferred learning option, whether self-paced, with a webinar, or privately. You can complete online courses at your own pace, attend live webinars, or participate in fast-track sessions. After completing the training, pass the online assessment to earn your certificate. By following these steps, you can become a certified advisor.